First thing, we got our instructional guide slash manual. Oh, look at the size of that seat post. Look at the size of that seat post. Decent. Don't fall on me there, bud. That's all you get. Pretty much. That's all that's to the max. One more tie wrap here. So there is, oh, sorry, a couple more. There's our wheel. Man, this is a lot nicer than I thought it would be, folks. I'm not kidding. This is a lot nicer than I was expecting. Man, the frame seems very solid. Now, granted, it's not the lightest bike in the world, but for the price that you're paying, you cannot go wrong with a product like this. You're getting a lot of bike. Everything feels nice and solid, guys. Like, I'm quite surprised. We've got front and rear mechanical disc brakes. I think they're 160 millimeter front and back. Man, this is a sleek looking bike. Let me tell you. Okay. Not to mention, it's pretty well packaged, as you can see. There's quite a bit of protection, you know, all around. Which is what you like to see, obviously, you know. Obviously, you want to see your investment slash purchase is well protected. The bars feel pretty solid. Get that plastic off afterwards. So what else do we get? Check out the seat. Look at the size of that seat post. Wow. Now that is something. A pretty nice looking seat, to be honest with you. Nice. Not too bad. I'm guessing the pedals and whatnot would be in here. So, in here we got the pedals, right here. In here we also got, for the front axle, for the front wheel, with the quick release. And look at that, it actually comes with tools to assemble it. Comes with a few tools, the reflector, the Allen wrench. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna get this thing put together. I'm gonna stop the video. That's it for the unboxing. And the next time you see me here, I'm doing this in my kitchen, by the way, if you haven't already noticed, we're gonna have the bike assembled. Catch you in a minute. Well, there you have it. Assembly took me roughly 45 minutes to an hour. And it looks like we've got the bike up and running. She's all ready to go. Now, one important thing, if you do buy this bike and you do put it together yourself, one thing that the owner's manual forgets to mention is you should always use grease. And by grease, I mean something like this. Any type of grease should work. To put it on the thread of your pedals, right here, and on the inside of the crank, and then you put the pedal on. Also, do the same thing for the seat post. Dab a little bit inside here, like with the Q-tip, like what I did. I just put it on a Q-tip, put it in there, a little bit on the seat post here and there. That's just going to help you out in the long run. So do that on your pedals, on the thread of your pedals, on the inside thread of your cranks here, on the inside thread of the cranks, on the pedals, and then on the seat post. And you really do got yourself a rock solid bike for the price. So there it is, the 2021 NorthRock XC00. Fortunately, it's pretty dark outside and it's about -15, so I will not be able to take this for a test ride today, but when I take it for my first ride, I will have my camera on me ready to go. I'll do a quick bike ride review with it. So the 2021 model should have this green striping on it, NorthRock branded. Obviously, you know, it is made in China. For that price, you know, really, you really can't expect anything better than that, I guess. So there it is, 2021 NorthRock XC00. Thanks for watching my unboxing and first look, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.